Hi everyone, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. And last video I told you that I will mix my glitter with my slime, and I told you I will do some slime, but I didn't. I didn't have the time, so I will mix some red glitter with my red slime. So yeah, I'll open it just to see. I'll put a little bit. It's very nice. Yeah, so I put some. Oh, just 1 second. Oh my god, now I will show you the result. Oh my god, look, it's cutting out. No, this isn't going well. I need to throw it. If you touch it now, it's before was better. I wish I didn't put it. I wish I put on this slime. Wait, I will show you another slime, hopefully. Ew. I'm hopefully going to target to bring other slimes like this or other kinds. But I think I'll bring like this because it's the only brand that is good. I wish I didn't put the glitter in. It's glitter glue glitter glue. Anyway, it's very disgusting right now, and it was better before. And look at my hands. I don't think you could see it, but I wish you could see it. I wish I could take it off even. And now, so bye. I'm gonna see you in the next vlog with Cici and Kiki. So yeah, bye.